So, hi everyone. Log in simply into your email and password. This is the admin dashboard. You can see there are a list of features on the left side and there are a few buttons on the right. On the left side, you can see store, reward, offers, visit, analytics. We'll be talking about these in a while. On the right side, you can see download my app QR and visit outlet. You can download your loyalty app by pressing on this and scanning the QR, whereas you can go to the sub admin that your staff is going to use by pressing on visit outlet. You can see your store logo, store location, and start and end date of your subscription. And you can see an active status as well. When you press on these three dots, you can see there is edit. You can edit your store information like your store name, phone number, and even change your app logo as well. So this is how to set up your loyalty system and your loyalty card. Please go to settings, store settings, points and reward. We will be discussing about how your points is going to be distributed to your customers. Here are a list of settings that you can enable according to the requirement of your business. If you'd like to reward your new customer instantly when they register, you can enable this setting. This helps increase the signups and first time engagement. So next you can see limit points once per day. You can enable this if you would like to give points only once every 24 hours. Please note that this does not mean 1 point per day. This means 1 earning action per day. The next setting is require bill ID for points. You can turn this on if you want your staff to enter bill ID before issuing points. This creates traceability and reduces fake and manual point misuse. You can turn on require bill ID for reward. When you enable this, your staff must enter a bill ID when redeeming a reward as well. Logs which bill ID was used for redemption and ensures accountability and audit trail. Points earning logic. You can choose between points and amount. If you choose points, you can manually enter how many points to give. This is useful for visit-based systems. For example, one visit is equals to 1 point. Staff manually enters 1 point. This is ideal when rewards are based on visits instead of spending. If you choose amount, points are calculated automatically based on customer spending. You can define how much spending is equals to 1 point. For example, you can say $1 is equals to 1 point. If the customer spends $50, the system automatically gives 50 points. This is ideal for revenue-based loyalty programs. The next would be round points. If you want to round up decimal into whole numbers, for example 2.6 to 3 points, then you can enable round points. This keeps the system clean. You can turn on points expiry if you want your customer's points to expire after a certain number of days if he or she is inactive. Your point logic is set. Now let's go to loyalty card settings. Simply go to settings and loyalty card settings. Once you're in loyalty card settings, you can design your loyalty card. You can choose different types of loyalty card. L1 being basic, L2 being stamps, and L3 being tiered. You can choose these types of loyalty card according to the nature of your business. Let's design our loyalty card. Let's choose the card color. Let's choose text color and stamp color as well. You can edit the number of stamps you require. You can add custom icon. You can even add custom background as well. Once you are done with the loyalty card, you can save the changes.